Hello, friends! Today, we're making a delicious and surprisingly simple dessert, an Oreo cookie cake. Start by separating the Oreo cookies and removing the filling. Place the filling in a separate bowl and keep the cookie halves in another plate. We'll use these halves to assemble the cake. Next, thoroughly mash the cream cheese. Add the heavy cream. Cookie filling, and powdered sugar. Mix everything well with a hand mixer until the texture is smooth. Line a tray or a board with parchment paper. We'll assemble the cake using a pastry ring. Dip each cookie half in milk and lay out the first layer of the cake. Then, spread a layer of cream over the cookies, followed by another layer of cookie halves. Remember to dip the cookies in milk each time. After each cookie layer, add a cream layer. Continue this process until you have 5 to 6 cookies left. Use these to decorate the final layer of the cake. By the way, did you know that in New York, a group of students once tried to test if Oreo cream could work as a building material? They glued together a few small cookie towers, and one of them held a weight of nearly 5 kilograms before collapsing. Also, artist T. Scott Trombley creates portraits of celebrities using only Oreos. He separates the cookies and then paints with the cream on one side. His works are so detailed that they can easily be mistaken for real drawings. Crush a few Oreo cookie halves and sprinkle them over the cake. Refrigerate the cake for 1 to 2 hours, and it's ready to serve.